Hey, to change watch faces on the CMF Watch Pro, all you have to do is just to go into the settings by clicking on the side button. Now you will have to scroll down and go into the settings. From this, go to the watch face settings. Let's do this one more time. Okay, if for some reason something goes wrong because my screen just turns off, but let me show you the second way. So when you have your phone, you have to open the CMF Watch application and click right here on this icon at the bottom. Then you can find the watch faces here. So when you open it, you can find, for example, recommended watch faces. For some reason it's another bug, it's actually not loading the watch faces, so let's go for the mine. And for example, we can pick this watch face. And now if you want to change for this one, click here. And now as you can see, the watch face has changed. So I can also go for this one. There we go. And we can try also make the blind peak. Let's go, let's download. Okay, so this is actually the way how to get the additional watch faces. But if you want to get them from this already available, you can just do this like that. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.